Auto Answer lets your phone pick up calls automatically without touching the screen. Here's how to turn it on. First, open the Phone app on your Android device. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right and go to Settings. Look for Answering and Ending Calls. Find the option called Answer Automatically and turn it on. Then tap it again to set the delay time, such as 2, 5, or 10 seconds, or choose a custom time. Keep in mind, Auto Answer only works when your phone is connected to a headset or Bluetooth device. If you don't see the Auto Answer option, open your main Settings app and search for Auto Answer or Call Settings. You can also check the Accessibility menu under Interactions and Dexterity, where some devices place this feature. And that's how you enable Auto Answer on Android. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.